My name is Felix Baum. I'm responsible for, as I was mentioned earlier, for the software AI products at Qualcomm. And that includes a few, and I'll kind of briefly mention what they are and how they work. So first and foremost, we've seen a number of presentations and attended keynotes, and I think it is very clear by now, hopefully to you guys and gals, that intelligence is moving from the cloud, from the server farms, to edge, and pretty quickly at that. We saw the keynote today that forget about like embedded systems that we think of when we think about small memory footprints and things like that. In the presentation today, we were talking about devices that don't even have a power supply and have to get power from sensors and things like that, so really tiny. But if the intelligence is truly moving from the cloud into the edge, into the embedded devices, and you are hopefully deploying one of these use cases and responsible for getting your algorithms to run on an embedded devices, then where should you go? What targets should you guys go after? And out of curiosity, I've seen a couple presentations I attended, and I saw folks, for example, from Intel talking about their Intel, whatever they call it, stick for AI and Intel camera. How many people have that? Good for you. All right. I also saw a question that was asked at the end of today's keynote about Google, what do they call it, HTPU or something? Anybody? Nobody has one? Wow. All right. Well, let me change the subject a little bit. So how many people here in the room has a cell phone? How many has more than one? All right, so I think it's obvious to state that if you are targeting embedded devices, if you are truly going away from the server where you maybe developed your algorithms and you truly want to deploy it on a device, then the best device, the most popular device, the devices where you can get majority of your customers to utilize your algorithm and see how cool and awesome your idea is truly go after the cell phone markets and go after the mobile devices. And yes, there are a lot of them.